another video. I have not posted in such a long time, and I thought to jump out the gates I would do a wig install because I do not ever post no wig installs on my page. So let's get into it. I got this hair from Tinashe's hair company. This is a 13x4 lace front. It's supposed to be HD lace. I don't know what HD lace looks like, so y'all can look when I show y'all the lace if it's HD or not. I don't know. It's like lace to me. But it's 200% density. Did I already say 28 inch? Cause let's get into it. But if you want to see how I achieved this look and how I did this install, just continue watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. We are on our way to 5K, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I done put my wig cap on. I've already cut out my ear tabs and my eyes and stuff because I didn't want to mess up my lashes. But I'm getting ready to go ahead and melt this down. I just used Got to Be Free spray in a yellow can. I spray that all over, and then I blow dry my blow dryer, and then I put a thin layer of glue like to mark out my hairline, just so like my edges don't be popping out. Bro, I can't decide if I want to do a voiceover or if I just want to talk. Cause like some people say they can't talk because they have to be like super concentrated, but I be talking to myself anyways, so y'all won't like see my mouth moving and then not hear anything. I don't even know how to do voiceovers. So basically, I'm taking this She Glam. I got it from Shein. They sent it to me. And actually, it's a pretty great, good foundation. So I'll be using it on my face and stuff. But basically, I'm just taking this and putting it all over the cap. Like, I don't really care if it's not like super perfect. As long as I look bald, which I do. And I'm just gonna take my razor blade and I'm gonna first cut this off my $13 by $4 lace front wig from Tinashe hair. I'm gonna cut this off in the back. I always cut it off because I don't know how to do lace in the back. So let me cut this off real quick. I'm gonna just take my eyebrow razor and cut this lace off. And yeah, so I just bleached my knots. Yo, this one looks so cute. So I got this lace tint I just bought. It actually works. And I'm gonna spray my lace and then put this. I don't put this on my head, so hopefully it fits. Cause y'all know I got a big head. And stuff be acting like it do not want to fit on my head. Make sure you shake up your lace tan if you have lace tan, because sometimes when I be spraying it, it be looking so wet. Like see how it's like coming out like water? It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to come out like a spray. My gosh, it keeps coming out like water. So basically I just put it, and I'm gonna Is it giving scalp? Is it giving? I think it's giving scalp. And they gave me a rat tail comb. Like, they gave me some pretty nice things with this wig, and this wig is full. I'm pretty sure I got 200% density because I like my wigs thick, and this wig is definitely getting thick. So I'm just gonna take a paper towel and put some alcohol on it and then wipe my forehead off. Don't use too much because the alcohol can make your wig caps start coming up, all types of stuff. So I just do like a quick little, like a piece of hair on my forehead. Like just get all that sticky stuff off. Just do a quick little wipe down. And we gonna start gluing. I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 layers of glue. Not sure how many yet. I haven't decided. Okay, y'all, I'm back. My phone storage got full. Whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna. I don't even know what do I do? So if I get this elastic band off, if I can figure out how I tied it. Okay, we're just gonna pull off and then I'm gonna. Okay, so there's a lace. It's a little white right here, but we can fix that. Okay, so this is an up close of the lace. It's white in some places, but I'm gonna fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my razor and I'm just gonna start in the middle. And I'm just gonna start. Okay, so I don't have like it's giving. It's definitely giving what they said it's supposed to give. I don't have any what's it called? The little flat irons. I don't have one of those. So I'm just gonna get my regular iron and I'm gonna try to curl these with the regular one. Cause that's all I have. Okay, sorry, my phone died, so I went ahead and cut the edges and I curled them. So now I'm gonna take this mousse and my toothbrush and start trying to lay them down. So this part will probably be sped up because Okay, y'all, so my camera kept dying, then I ran out of storage, so we're gonna get into these baby hairs. This side is messed up, guys, but I'm gonna fix it and I burnt my face. But basically, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you be notified when I post my next video. And all the links for this hair in the description will be in the description box, so just check down there for that. But my loves.